Here's what you should know about the book. Crucial conversation. Crucial conversations are not your everyday discussions. They are the pivotal exchanges that significantly impact your life. These conversations arise when opinions diverge, stakes are high, and emotions run strong. They can involve matters like career advancement, corporate strategy, or personal conflicts with loved ones. Often, people shy away from crucial conversations, fearing they might worsen the situation. Instead, they resort to avoidance tactics, like sending emails instead of speaking face-to-face. However, some individuals refuse to fall into the trap of the fool's choice, where they feel they must choose between telling the truth and preserving a relationship. They prioritize both honesty and respect in their crucial conversations and excel in dialogue. Dialogue is the cornerstone of successful conversations. It involves the free flow of meaning between participants. In a crucial conversation, people come with their own opinions, feelings, theories, and expectations, forming their personal pool of meaning. When these diverse pools of meaning clash in a conversation, skilled individuals make it safe for everyone to share their perspectives, even those that, at first glance, seemed controversial, wrong, or at odds with their own beliefs. They don't need to agree to every idea. They just want all ideas out in the open. The pool of shared meaning is the group's IQ, and the larger it is, the better the quality of decisions taken from it. This process creates a pool of shared meaning where all ideas are welcome. The size and quality of this shared pool of meaning directly impact the group's decision-making abilities. A larger pool, filled with diverse and relevant information, leads to better informed choices and higher quality decisions. It's all about ensuring that every idea finds its way into the shared pool, contributing to a collective intelligence that can lead to more effective problem-solving and decision-making. Successful crucial conversations depend on the right heartitude, meaning having the correct mindset and attitude. When your heart is not in the right place during such conversations, your behavior can deteriorate. Even worse, your motives can take a negative turn, leading you to believe that the other party is solely responsible for the issues at hand, hindering any progress. Effective dialoguers, however, understand the importance of starting with themselves. They embrace the "work on me first, us second" principle, recognizing that they can only influence their own attitude. They focus on self-improvement, making them the most skilled and talented participants in the conversation. To get your heart right, you must clarify what you truly want and don't want from the conversation. Combining these into an "and" question prompts creative and productive thinking. For example, how can I have a candid conversation with my spouse about reliability without creating bad feelings or wasting time? Above all, recognize when a conversation is turning unhealthy. There are 3 indicators to watch out for. First are physical, emotional, and behavioral signals. These include bodily sensations like stomach tightness, emotional reactions like fear or anger, and behavioral cues like raised voices or finger pointing. Secondly, when safety is at risk. When fear permeates the conversation, the free flow of information stops, jeopardizing safety. Thirdly, duress-induced style. Under pressure, you may become overly focused on your point, losing all semblance of social sensitivity, if only for a few moments in time. In all 3 scenarios, the safety of the crucial conversation becomes compromised. So it is of great need to navigate difficult conversations effectively. Restoring safety to a crucial conversation that has gone off track involves a logical sequence of steps. When a crucial conversation loses its sense of safety, it's crucial to step out of the content of the conversation and address the conditions of safety. Reestablish mutual purpose. Show that you care about the goals, interests, and values of the other person, and they should reciprocate. This mutual respect for each other's objectives is the first condition of safety. Reestablish mutual respect. Demonstrate that you hold the other person in high regard. When appropriate, offer a sincere apology if you played a role in the conversation's breakdown. Apologies can rapidly restore safety to the relationship. Use contrasting. To rebuild mutual purpose or mutual respect, employ contrasting. This involves making don't-do statements that address concerns about disrespect or malicious intent. For example, "I didn't mean to devalue your work. I think it's spectacular." By following these steps, you can create a safe space for the conversation to resume constructively. Today, you've learned how to deal with crucial conversations. Don't forget to subscribe. Adios.